It's a fantastic time for innovation and development for the Australian Army. So we've gone from a traditional analogue aircraft now to a digital aircraft. And that gives you everything from a new cockpit, which is completely digital, to different analytics which the aircraft will download, so allow the technicians to understand better what the aircraft's doing.
Lockheed Martin is embedded into obviously the maintenance aspect of the aircraft operation. We've also got personnel within the refuelling side of things, life support fitment, structural workshop. We've also got a large logistics warehouse. It's much larger than just fixing aircraft. It's the whole kit caboodle essentially.
It gave me goosebumps the first time I saw him. It's pretty cool to be able to see the aircraft fly and to see where the parts go to and what you're actually doing.
To know that it's going to a good cause and you know that you're helping someone somewhere, maybe not tomorrow, but it might be in a few weeks' time or even a couple of years' time, but you are helping someone.
There's no other unit in Australia that can supply or provide the capability that the 6th Aviation Regiment can do. So being here on the Mike Model program, I'm continuously being a part of the great development and fostering of what we do and provide the Australian government and community. That's what makes us a unique workplace.
I enjoy working on these machines because they have such a variety of battlefield application, from medical rescue, cargo resupply, troop movement, support. This aircraft has so much capability. It's a Swiss Army knife of an aircraft.
With the expansion of the Australian UH-60 fleet with Lockheed Martin Australia, that provides endless potential and opportunity for anyone that wants to join the company, be it in mechanical trades, avionics, or even in operations and logistics. There's endless growth there, and as long as you have the skill set, you can grow and advance with us.